Good morning, barn animals. Everybody's so quiet in here. We don't have ducks on the inside. Hey, Sammy. Hey, piggies. I'll get the door open. Time to wake up, chickens. Time to hop down, chickens. Hey, Spot. Hey, piggies. We gotta get the ducks, pup. I'm coming, Dabbles. Dabbles! Good morning, Maggie, Hermione, and friends. I'm sorry, that's just a feed scoop, ducks. Don't have to be scared of everything. Oh, here comes the turkey. Turkey! I see you guys. Hey, Dabbles. My ladies! Mumbles! Both of them have their wings out. You pretty birds.